I listen to the radio, classic rock, and if it moves, I turn it up and go. I'm Phil Flood from Shuttle Fleet in Whitewater, Wisconsin. Well, I like the fact that you get paid to sightsee, and you get to travel the country, and it's like, okay, I'm getting paid to do this, and you can have fun, take your time, and enjoy the scenery. I've been to California, Georgia, Florida, Texas, Mississippi, Louisiana, and you get to see different weather and different people, and it's just a lot of fun. I love it. You want to be united with the company and people you work with and your job and your attitude. If you stick to that and you get along and you do your job and you respect what you do and people respect what you do, it makes life easy, and then you feel like you're part of the company and wanted. If everybody gets along and works together, it makes life really easy.